there was a consensual relationship.
Yes.
They were living together.
Yes.
She has had a child from
Yes.
him.
Yes.
Then she files complaint of sexual assault.
He met her when she was merely 18. Malad. She was a widow, young
Yes.
widow. That time he met her.
There is a consensual relationship. They are living together, and she begets a child from him, and then there is no marriage. And then she says sexual assault. See, then all live-in relationship, if they split up, the lady has to file a complaint against on the man for sexual assault.
She did not know that he was already married. That was the question. Malad, and how he is exploiting her. He is misusing his position of power.
The respondent here is R2.
Yes.
Who is this?
Shatrughan Chauhan.
Amit Yadav.
Amit Yadav this is against Shatrughan.
Correct. This is Amit Yadav.
He's his friend.
His friend.
Shatrughan's friend. And everything has been manipulated by him. And he's misusing Malad. We'll see page
No, now she has had the child from her first husband.
from him. The birth certificate says he's the father.
Now what is a prayer? What is your complaint then? Is he married?
Shatrughan is already married. Malad, can you see page turned 67?
Already married.
Yes, page 67. I'll show how he's exploiting
Right? She lost her husband. Correct?
earlier. And the brother-in-law
And the
introduced her
child-
to.
Child is from her. From
No, from him. From
him?
respondent number 2. Yes.
Then
Can you see page 67?
they
Malad?
will live together.
Yes.
Then-
Can you see what he's doing? Page 67, Malad. Can you see page 67, the chat? How he's exploiting.
She is living with him.
Now he is not now.
She is living with him.
No, not now.
She was living.
She was living with him.
Then
He exploited and he left her. Then now. Can you see page 67, the chat? So,
we are not on that.
Malad, this is important because he's exploiting. She has courage
We
to
are
come
not on
forward.
this exploiting. We are only concerned with this petitioner.
Yes, Malad.
So there was a consensual relationship.
Yes,
They were living together.
yes.
She has had a child from
Yes,
him.
yes.
Then she files complaint of sexual assault and all that.
Then he,
Where is the offense?
Malad, where
She
is,
has lived with him.
she
has
lived
had
with
a
him
child
then?
from him.
Yes.
Then where
Now
is
he
the
has turned her out. Now he has turned her out, Malad. Then she,
that
then,
there is no
then
bond
he-
in the legal bond in the sense it is not a marriage. That it is only
But-
an affair.
Malad,
What do you mean if they split? You can you say it's an offense?
he promised her to marry. He promised her to marry. From the very beginning on the false
She knew that
pretext.
she was married.
She did not know then. She did not know.
Now what are the allegations against him? FIR is on what section?
Page
What are these new sections?
69. Page 54. Kindly turn to page 54.
What are the allegations?
Allegation is that he assaulted her, sexually assaulted her. He made a false promise. He met her when she was merely 18. Malad. She was a widow, young
Yes.
widow. That time he met her.
But she went to live with him.
Yes, he promised to marry her.
Why did she go and live with him before marriage? See, now if we ask,
Her brother-in-law,
ask these questions, they'll say we are victim shaming. What is this?
what the brother-in-law introduced her to him. Brother-in-law introduced her to him.
They could have got married.
Could have got married, but he was already married, which she did not know at that time.
But why did she go and live with him and have a child?
Well, she was
And now she's
young.
saying sexual assault.
Yeah, she was a young widow, Malad. She was
No.
abused, Malad. She was, and
Already
he's,
married.
Malad,
And the widow.
not only her, he has been abusing, Malad,
That's
67
not
pages.
concerned. He's what he has done to other 2-3 women. We are not concerned. We are concerned with this petitioner. Now,
He's
where is the question
misusing
of offense?
his official position, Malad.
Where is the question of offense? When there is a consensual relationship, they are living together, and she begets a child from him, and then there is no marriage. And then she says sexual assault. Or how long they live together?
For
Then all living relationships, the
15,
women will
for
start
15,
saying,
60, for 15 years, the
15 years they live together.
child is of, I think, 7, 8 years old.
Why at this point of time she has filed a complaint? After how many years? See, then all live-in relationship, if they split up, the lady has to file a complaint against on the man for
She-
sexual assault.
She did not know that he was already married. That was the
That
question.
we don't know.
Yes.
She lived
She's-
with him.
Yes. Later on, he said that he is already married.
These are all the vagaries of
Later,
having relationship outside marriage.
yes.
Ah.
And then
Now
he has 4 wives, my lord, as a
how
official.
are we concerned?
No, that is there. He's exploiting women.
Others are not there. She is not married to say bigamy.
She is not.
married.
She is not married. She is not married.
Then now High Court says quash.
High Court has quashed on the basis of that only because she is given some affidavits also, which was also orchestrated by him only. He engaged the counsel and then the other person was involved. Well, sir.
We can sympathize with your client that she got befooled or whatever.
Yes, my lord. That's
But the
why.
fact is she went with him, had a child with him and lived with him for 15 years.
That's how she was exploited.
Child is that she can ask for maintenance with regard to the child.
That's a separate proceeding that she will take. But here the thing is that he has left her.
There can be illegitimate relationship, but the child really is not poor child. How can the child be illegitimate? Child is a child born.
It's a
out of
hard
this
case.
relationship.
I am afraid of that. It's a hard case. But the thing is that he's been
Can
exploiting.
ask
There are
for maintenance.
four women also. Well, the way he's
Forget about that. Now they are not living together.
not living together now. She mustered courage and then she filed this.
It's not that. See, if there was marriage, the question of her rights would have been better. She could have filed regarding bigamy. She could have filed for maintenance.
No marriage took place. There was no marriage.
For sexual assault, she would have got those reliefs. Now, since there's no marriage, they live together. This is the risk. They can walk out any day.